Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook water burgers. First, let's prepare our patties. Water burgers are a unique way to cook ground beef, aiming for a remarkably juicy outcome by using boiling water. Start with about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, forming it into 4 to 6 patties, each around 3/4 of an inch thick. Don't forget to season them well with your favorite blend of salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder for maximum flavor. Now, let's get to the core of the water burger method: boiling. Fill a pot with enough water to fully submerge your patties and bring it to a vigorous, rolling boil. Once boiling, gently place your seasoned hamburger patties into the water. Allow them to cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. The goal is to ensure they are thoroughly cooked, with no pink remaining, resulting in a surprisingly tender and juicy burger. After boiling, carefully remove your cooked patties from the water, allowing any excess liquid to drain. For an optional, light crust and extra flavor, you can quickly sear them in a hot, lightly oiled pan for about 1 minute per side. Now for the best part: assembly. Place your juicy water burger patty on a toasted bun, then pile on your favorite toppings like cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, and a generous dollop of your chosen sauce. To elevate your water burger experience, here are a few helpful tips. For an extra layer of flavor, try boiling some thinly sliced onions in the water before adding your patties. This infuses the meat with a subtle sweetness. Remember not to overcook your burgers, as this can diminish their juiciness. Finally, serve your water burgers immediately with fresh, crisp toppings and your favorite condiments for a truly satisfying and unique meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.